And I have to thank the ED for the report and for his swift movement over the constituency. I think within the year he visited all the member countries and under different circumstances. And he was there in Sudan again. And it was a very fruitful meeting and a very fruitful visit. Coming to the issues brought up in this report, I think low employment of the constituency member countries is very clear, and 7% is a very low representation. So I do believe the ED and his team have to make some more effort to employ more people from the constituency. And maybe in spite of the fact that Sudan's population is close to 50 million, only 11 persons has been there employed in the bank. And that number continued straight for the last almost 10 years. So there should be an incremental increase. The population is increasing, but our representation in the bank is not going any further. That's one. Number two, I think our voting power is very small, and we all need to come together, find a way to increase our voting power as a constituency. It's very small, and if not for Ghana, it will not be counted for. So we have to find a way to increase our voting power. Number three, it's true that projects has to be managed centralized, or have to be managed centrally, but also we have to consider that some of the countries are managed in decentralized or federal basis. So whenever you come to that, you are going to face problems. States prefer to have control over the projects where they are implemented. So, and the central government and the Minister of Finance want to have that say over the management and implementation of the projects. That always makes difficult problems. In our case, there is one extra problem. That is, actually, we don't have the project implementation unit under our control. Rather, a third party is the one who is implementing the projects. Well, of course, we are thankful to the bank for the grants we are getting and the projects, the finance, but these are done through third party for political reasons. And that made it very difficult for us to have enough control of these projects. So that's something has to be revisited, and for the country has to have more power over the projects that are implemented in the country. Thank you very much. Our tax authorities to collect double the amount they collected last year, and they're doing well. So as far as domestic resource mobilization, I think we are doing well. And of course, we are not satisfied with that because we started from a very low level, and now we are trying to do as much as we can. As far as private-public partnership is concerned, we created a special unit for that. We passed the law through all the channels, and we are trying to increase that as much as possible, especially for the reconstruction phase, because at the end we would like to have to build or to destroy the infrastructure through BOT systems, and that needs the PPP. So we are working on that, and I encourage you, we are trying to employ the best people to work on that. As far as our pledges to the EFD, I think we committed to 3 million, and we are planning to pay that amount we committed to, so that will do.